Are you kidding me? These guys are a joke. Is it just me? Or are they horrible?
Lovely. It's to float the cause, keep Samcro and us in business. Glad we could work it out, Clay.
Me too, Cameron.
How is the cause going?
Like any good war, slow and steady.
Michael McKeevy. Good soldier, good friend.
To a unified Ireland, it'll never happen through non-violence.
Here?
Yeah.
The hell you guys want?
Watch my back.
Yo, we got it.
Go! What's the matter, man?
I'm not sure it's the right dude.
God damn, it's gotta be. We got to slip, though. Let's go!
Clay, you okay? Yeah.
Cameron, that's bad. We gotta get you to an ER.
I wanted on 4 continents. I can't just chuck into a hospital.
Call the guys.
Lock the doors. Get some rags. We need to apply some pressure to these wounds.
Clay? Mayans, man. I guess it's on.
This war ain't gonna be slow and steady.